This flexible baseboard molding from Duzzy offers a generous continuous roll that is 4 inches high and designed to cover long wall runs without many seams. The peel and stick backing makes installation straightforward for do-it-yourself users, since you just cut the vinyl to length, press it in place, and skip nails or messy construction adhesive. Its upgraded vinyl material feels sturdy yet bendable, so it conforms nicely to corners and uneven transitions while resisting everyday scuffs and scratches. The trim adheres well to a wide range of smooth surfaces, including tile, wood flooring, marble, painted walls, and glass, which makes it useful across different rooms and renovation projects. A slight toe at the bottom helps bridge the gap between wall and floor, giving a more finished look while also helping to shield lower walls from mops, vacuums, and shoe marks. If you ever need to remove or replace it, warming the strip with a hairdryer allows the molding to come off more cleanly, reducing the chance of damaging the underlying surface.